Blessings. This afternoon, some of the stories that we have here. July 31 funeral for family of 5 killed in Clarendon. Also coming up, female gospel singer shot and killed in St. Elizabeth. So that and more, but first and foremost, remember that if you're new to the channel, if it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more. Beatitude intro soon forward. The Matilda's Corner Police have been employing numerous strategies aimed at targeting criminals, particularly those motorcycles, to help reduce incidents of robberies in the Station District. In addition to this, the police are reminding citizens to be aware of their surroundings, especially shopping areas, and be on the lookout for suspicious men on motorcycles.
Of several months now, we have had some challenges within the Matilda's Corner Police area. It is not unique to just the Matilda's Corner Police area, which is in the Kingston 6, Kingston 8 area, where we have had some incidents where females, vulnerable persons have been tailed from the bank, and in the shopping area where their bags have been snatched, cars have been broken into, and items, valuables have been removed from the vehicles. What the police have done and will continue to do in terms of our daily deployment, we have police in plain clothes, also in marked units, and our quick response team who are motorcyclists to respond to these incidents. So we have had them deployed in the shopping areas to mitigate against these issues. However, today we have had an incident in the General Foods area, Liganelli Lane Plaza, where a bag was snatched from a female by two motorcyclists in the area. However, they were not stopped by the security personnel at the gate. They escaped. The police who were operating within the space, the information was disseminated to them at the quickest possible time as soon as we received the report. They have canvassed the area. However, the men were not caught. These incidents, they have happened before, and with the same deployment, the police were able to have successes in terms of apprehending most of these individuals with firearms, with the motorcycles unlicensed, which we have taken into custody, and the perpetrators are facing the court for their crimes. We have recovered also properties, valuables belonging to residents, and we have had them returned to them. We will continue to have a daily deployment of our resources within that space, despite the resource constraint that we are having. The police are committed to canvass the area and to apprehend these individuals. You will see a deployment of police officers inside the space. We will be conducting searches of individuals. We will be seizing motorbikes that are unlicensed, that are operating within the space. We will continue within the space to reassure residents, shoppers, that they are safe and they can feel confident within their police. The investigation is being led by Detective Inspector Levy, who is standing behind me. So I want residents to feel comfortable, to feel confident in their police, that we are doing everything within our power to ensure that they are safe.
To the Bread Basket Parish we go. Female gospel singer, 57-year-old Carmen Charmaine Wellington, gunned down in St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, police have identified a woman who was shot and killed in burnt Savannah on Tuesday night. She is Carmen Wellington, 57-year-old, otherwise called Charmaine, a gospel singer of Maxfield Town in burnt Savannah. A police report said about 8:35 p.m. Wellington was in her yard with family members when she was pounced upon by gunmen traveling in a motor car who opened gunfire hitting her. The police were alerted and she was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced upon arrival. And I have a video that shows a motor car traveling into oncoming traffic on a section of the Edward Seaga Highway Wednesday evening. The car exited before reaching Lidford Toll Plaza in Golden Grove, St. Ann. It's unclear why the vehicle was operating on the wrong side of the road. Several cars had to swerve to avoid a collision, and that was very risky, life-threatening. There has been no reported injury, so be attentive. Now as we take a look at Clarendon, where Mr. Rushane Barnett did his butchering. The funeral for the 5 family members who were found with their throat slashed at their house in Cocoa Peace, Clarendon will be held on July 31 at the Stuart Hall Auditorium at Clarendon College. 31-year-old Kimisha Wright and her 4 children, Kimanda Smith, 15, Shirley Smith, 12, Raphael Smith, 5, and 23-month-old Kishan Henry Jr. were discovered in their house in the New Road community on June 21. The killings spark a massive national outrage as expected, and Deputy Superintendent of Police Owen Brown gave an update on the arrangements in a report to the Clarendon Interagency Network, a group of state agencies, on Wednesday. He said the grave digging will take place on July 20, and in his own words, "It is something that we are taking very seriously. We expect that there's going to be a huge crowd, but we will be out in our numbers to at least ensure that things run smoothly." The wake is scheduled for July 29. The government said it would assist with the funeral expenses, and the victim's cousin's 23-year-old Rushane Barnett is charged with the murders. And the state is also seeking a death penalty. And again, may their soul rest in peace. And if you reach this far, that simply means you have completed the full duration of the video. So please, I'm asking you to like the video. All I need in return is just a like on my videos. And also, most importantly, remember that if you're new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. I would appreciate that. Plus, click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about what? Each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm blessings and more beatitude. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.